What if I told you that two small bean-shaped organs silently clean your blood more than 180 liters every single day? Without them, toxic waste would build up in your body within hours, and life would not be possible. These organs control your blood pressure, your fluids, your electrolytes, and even your red blood cell production. They are powerful, complex, and often ignored until they fail. Today, we are talking about one of the most vital organs in the human body, the kidneys. Before we begin, please note that this video is created for educational and informational purposes only. Now, let's explore how the human kidney works and why protecting it is essential for life. The kidneys are paired organs that perform one of the most critical functions in the human body: blood filtration. Every minute, a large portion of your blood passes through the kidneys, where waste products, excess water, and harmful substances are removed. Humans typically have two kidneys, and each one is about the size of a human fist. Despite their small size, their workload is enormous. The kidneys maintain a stable internal environment, a process known as homeostasis. They regulate fluid balance and electrolytes in the blood. In addition to filtration, the kidneys also play an important role in blood pressure regulation and hormone production. Understanding the kidneys is not just medical knowledge. It is knowledge about life itself. The kidneys are located deep inside the abdomen, on both sides of the spine. They sit just below the rib cage and are positioned behind the abdominal organs, a location known as retroperitoneal. This protected position helps shield the kidneys from external injury. Each kidney has a distinctive bean-like shape and is surrounded by a layer of fat that provides cushioning and support. Blood enters the kidney through the renal artery and leaves through the renal vein. The filtered waste product, urine, exits through a tube called the ureter. Despite being hidden from view, the kidneys are constantly active. They continue filtering blood and maintaining chemical balance. Damage to kidney structure can severely impair these functions, making anatomical integrity essential for health. Understanding where the kidneys are located helps us see why trauma, dehydration, or chronic disease can have serious consequences. When we look inside the kidney, we discover a highly organized and efficient internal structure. The kidney is divided into three main parts: the renal cortex, the renal medulla, and the renal pelvis. The renal cortex is the outer layer. It contains most of the filtering units of the kidney and plays a critical role in blood filtration. Beneath the cortex lies the renal medulla, which consists of pyramid-shaped structures called renal pyramids. These structures help concentrate urine and regulate water balance. At the center of the kidney is the renal pelvis, a funnel-like structure that collects urine before it moves into the ureter. This layered organization allows the kidney to perform complex tasks with remarkable precision. Damage to any part of this structure can disrupt filtration and lead to serious health problems. Understanding kidney anatomy helps us appreciate how structure and function are closely connected in human biology. Blood filtration begins in the glomerulus. As blood enters under pressure, water and small solutes are pushed through the filtration membrane. This process is known as glomerular filtration. Large molecules, such as proteins and blood cells, remain in the bloodstream, while waste products enter the renal tubules. The filtration rate must be carefully regulated. Too much filtration leads to dehydration, while too little causes toxin buildup. The kidneys constantly adjust this balance to meet the body's needs. This precision highlights the kidney's role as a master regulator of internal chemistry. The nephron is the microscopic functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney contains approximately 1 million nephrons, performing the vital task of filtering blood. A nephron consists of two main components, the glomerulus and the renal tubule. The glomerulus acts as a filter, allowing water and small molecules to pass while retaining blood cells and proteins. The renal tubule processes this filtered fluid, selectively reabsorbing useful substances and secreting waste. The efficiency of the nephron is essential for survival. When nephrons are damaged, they cannot regenerate easily. Protecting nephron health is the foundation of kidney preservation. After filtration, the renal tubules modify the filtered fluid through reabsorption and secretion. Reabsorption allows essential substances such as glucose, sodium, and water to return to the bloodstream. Secretion removes additional waste products and excess ions from the blood. These processes are carefully controlled by hormones and cellular transport mechanisms. The goal is to maintain balance, not too much, not too little. Any disruption in reabsorption or secretion can lead to electrolyte imbalance and disease. The final product of kidney filtration is urine. Urine flows from the collecting ducts into the renal pelvis, then into the ureter, and finally reaches the bladder. This process removes waste and excess fluid from the body. Normal urine production is essential for maintaining health and preventing toxin accumulation. They produce erythropoietin, which stimulates red blood cell production. They release renin, which helps regulate blood pressure. They also activate vitamin D, essential for bone health. These hormonal functions connect kidney health to the heart, blood, and skeletal system. Kidney diseases can impair filtration and lead to life-threatening complications. Common conditions include kidney stones, acute kidney injury, and chronic kidney disease. Early detection is critical for preventing irreversible damage. Chronic kidney disease is a gradual and irreversible loss of kidney function. It often develops silently and may go unnoticed until advanced stages. Diabetes and hypertension are leading causes worldwide. Prevention and early management are key. Hydration, blood pressure control, and avoiding toxic substances are essential for maintaining kidney health. Prevention is far more effective than treatment. Thank you for being with us till the end of this video. If you found this content helpful, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support gives us a great energy to make more educational contents for you. Follow Heal&Pill for more medical and educational videos.